Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve this question. It is very easy question of class 10 pressure chapter. Okay, you can read it once. Question has told us to calculate the pressure on the ground if a boy of mass 40 kg stands on 1 foot, if the area of his shoe is 150 centimeter square. Okay. Question has asked us to calculate the pressure on the ground if this boy, suppose this is a boy, he is smiling, he is standing on the ground with his 1 foot, okay, and this is the ground. Yes, okay. Now this boy has mass 40 kg. How much mass? 40 kg. And the area of his shoe is how much? 150 centimeter square. And question has asked us to calculate the pressure. Okay. How can we calculate the pressure? We can calculate pressure by using this formula. P is equal to F upon A, means pressure is equal to force upon area. Yes, this F is force and A is surface area on contact. Yes, surface area is given, force is not given. Instead of force, what are we given? We have been given 40 kg mass. 40 kg mass. Can we convert into force? This mass into force? Yes, definitely. We can convert this mass into force. How can we convert? We can convert this mass into force by this formula. W is equal to M into G. Yes, this M is mass, G is acceleration due to gravity. In this way we can convert this mass into weight, and we know that this weight is not another thing but it is the force. Weight is the force with which the earth pulls any body towards its center. Yes, weight is nothing but it is the force. Okay, now can we do by this way? We can write solution. Given mass of boy is M is 40 kg and area of his shoe A is 150 centimeter square. Now this kg is the SI unit of mass, but this cm square is the SI unit, not SI unit. This cm square is CGS unit. We have to convert the centimeter square into meter square. How can we convert? I have already taught this before, but in short I can describe you. We can convert in this way. We can convert 100 centimeter is 1 meter. Yes, you can square on both sides. 100 square is 10,000. Yes, centimeter square this much, centimeter square is centimeter square, 1 square 1, meter square is meter square. Okay, 10,000 centimeter square is 1 meter square. Are you okay? Okay. Now 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 by 10,000 meter square. In this way you can write 1 centimeter is equal to this much meter square, means 50 cm square is equal to 1 by, can you write? Definitely we can write 150 upon cm square, sorry, meter square. Okay, this much cm square is equal to this much meter square. 1 0 cancel out, 15 by 1000. Okay, area has been calculated into meter square. Okay, now furthermore, now we can calculate weight by using this mass. Now weight of body अथवा boy, weight of boy, W is equal to m into g, m into g. M is 40 and g is simply take 10 for the sake of calculation. 4 10 40 400 kg. 400 kg is the weight of boy. Simply write F for this weight. Weight of boy 400, sorry, not kg but Newton. Weight of boy 400 Newton, area is this much. We can easily calculate now pressure. Now using formula. P is equal to F upon A. Force is 400 Newton, nothing much. 400 Newton, and the area is 15 upon 1000. Okay, now 400 into 1000 upon 15, because when we write this in multiplication form, divide into multiplication form, then this 1000 goes upward, because it is in lowermost part, so it will go upward and 15 will be downward. Okay, now you can easily calculate by using calculator and write here Newton per meter square. 2666.6. 2666.6 Newton is the answer. Okay, now if you like this video, if you have liked this video, then you can subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, thank you very much.